Up all night by myself, trying to think of ways to you. Your voice stuck in my brain, we never got to see it through. And I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know.
Okay, babe, let's go. Line starts here, so I guess we're in line.
You heard me?
Huh?
There's no place to sit and eat in here.
Oh, back there? Is that what you want to do?
What do you want to try?
I don't care. I mean, whatever you want to try. So what all do we have here?
And something else for you.
Okay. So what is it that you like about Jollibee in general?
Their chicken is so fresh and crispy.
You gotta talk a little louder, babe. You're whispering. You sound, the chicken is what?
It is crispy and fresh, and their spaghetti is really good. I have this rice and gravy I'm gonna try.
So give me a tour of what you have.
I have 2 pieces of spicy chicken, and they put these flags on them too, so you know they're spicy. So that's cute.
Okay.
And then the Jollibee spaghetti,
Okay.
and peach, and peach and mango pie.
Okay. And this is the Jollibee in Manhattan, is that correct?
Yes.
So Jollibee in Manhattan.
There you got my pie. Oh, it's right there.
That was right there. And so this Jollibee looks really nice.
Yeah, but they don't have Polybach in it. I wish they had Polybach.
And where do you know them? Where does she say you can find that at?
And I guess Jamaica Street. Jamaica Street. And something. I don't know. I didn't hear her.
Oh, okay. But you also had Jollibee in Dallas, right?
Yes. And I did the Polybach, and it was great.
And it was great there. Okay. So if anyone happens to be in Manhattan, I think this is, what is this? 34th? No, it's not 34th Street.
Is it 39?
39th Street. Then would you recommend them coming to Jollibee?
Of course. Always Jollibee anywhere you're at. Okay. Jollibee.
So this particular one, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
Give it a 7 because they don't have my Polybach.
A 7. Gotcha. Okay. So let's see you bite into that chicken real quick just to see if it's any good. Just from the... Hot? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Okay, so man frame here. So this is,
I'll take that one.
this is our quick review of Jollibee. She's always talking about Jollibee. So we had to try it on our trip here to New York. And so what do I got? So this gravy, and I'm gonna dip my chicken in this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna dip my chicken in it, and I need to take a bite of this. She's already taken a bite of the chicken, so I'm gonna take a bite of the spaghetti, and give my rating on it.
Got the hot dog weenie on there. Here's hot dog weenie.
Oh, look at that. Hot dog weenie.
It's a little sweet, huh?
So it has like a little sweet tinge to it. And hot dog weenies. Never had that before with my spaghetti. But it works.
Is it good?
It is good. I have no complaints on it. I would have to give it, I mean, I can't give it a perfect, so I'll give it a 9. I think it's really good. So I give it a 9.
Dip the chicken in that gravy.
All right, let's try it. Quick. Oh, Lord have mercy. I think I'm gonna get messy.
Yeah, you are. But it's
And,
okay.
and this is spicy, right?
Right. It's hot, babe. Ooh, it's hot. How is it?
When you say chicken is good,
It's good, right?
this is some good fried chicken. And that little gravy just adds that extra little bit of spiciness to it. So I think all in all, I'm gonna give it an 8 as well. But I'm gonna give the restaurant itself, I'm gonna give it a 9.5 because it is you can tell this is new. This hadn't been here that long because it looks really new and refurbished in here. So coming to New York, Manhattan, look up Jollibee, 39th Street.
Try your pineapple juice.
Okay.
It's real sweet.
Ooh. Ooh. Actually tastes like real pineapples. It's not artificial. It tastes like real pineapples. So they did a good job with it. All right. I'm satisfied. All right. Hanging with Vince and Tina. See y'all later.
Okay, let me.